Greetings from Söderbysjön. That is still frozen to the most, but there is also a quite a decent part of the lake that is not under ice. And it is my first beach adventure here on Söderbysjön this year 2026 on this 22nd of March 2026, and this beach spot is right here in the forest. It's a spontaneous nudist beach spot as well, and it got me exactly 20 minutes to get here with my Scott gravel bike that you can see, as it is just 7.5 kilometers away from my home. And I actually need to come here more often, especially during the weekdays, because there is absolutely no one here during that. Now it's Sunday, sunny Sunday, and it's 10 degrees Celsius in the air currently, and I actually don't have the thermometer with me today, so I'm not really sure what is the temperature of the water. Yesterday in Flaten, which is a bigger lake, it was 5 degrees, so I'm really hoping that here it is a bit warmer in the lake. And yes, today is beach day number 10 on my Sweden beach adventures, and I'm gonna take a 7-day pause on the Sweden beach adventures, as I'm gonna be somewhere else tomorrow. So watch out for new beach adventures from a new place after 1 week, when I get back to Stockholm and upload the videos. But for now, we continue. It's nice to start the Sunday with a dip, ice dip I would say, as still the lake is covered with ice, as you can see. And yeah, quite nice spot. This one is right very close to the public beach Söderbysjön. That was also rather empty, but I have seen a lot of people running and walking in the forest here in the Nacka Nature Reserve, as this is actually Nacka. Now the wind is blowing, so I'm not really sure if you can hear me or not, but at least you can see me. Okay, so I can't believe that we are still in March and I'm on the 10th beach day, so it looks like it's going to be a great season, this one. We have had sunny weather for so long now, so I'm really happy and glad that I live in Stockholm, as it has lots of sunshine apparently nowadays. But if you come in November, it is mostly gray, all of it. What else? What else? Yeah, it was nice to go out for a cycling tour and ice dip at the same time. So let's get going and hit the waters for a quick ice dip here at this spontaneous nudist beach spot here in the nature. I hope the water is clean. It looks clean, but this is a bit of a different lake, so it's always like this, the water. And the wind is blowing like crazy, which doesn't help at all. But I will be returning to Söderbysjön for sure for some other beach adventures in the future, in the spring. That has already started actually, also even calendar wise. Okay, so let's see. Okay, quite okay, I would say. Not so cold. Not that cold as I expected. So it's going to be a nice and quick ice dip here in Söderbysjön. I can see the ice here. I'm getting close to the ice, but here it is also quite decent to just go in for a quick dip where I am, even though it's a bit slippery slope here. So yeah, now I'm with my legs in the water, and let's not wait any longer and go in for a dip here at Söderbysjön. Ready, set, and go. Ice, ice, baby. Ice cold, but nice and gold for sure. Another ice dip in the books, and I think by the time I get back to Stockholm there will be no more ice. So let's see, or if we're gonna get snow again. So thanks a lot for watching this episode with me from Söderbysjön and this beach adventure with Chris, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on the channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.